Hello, jewelry lover. Imagine you want to show your client the design of her wedding ring. Wouldn't it be amazing to simply send her an interactive link so she can view it on her phone or tablet? Well, that's exactly what we're going to look at in this video. Welcome to this new video tutorial for Maverick Excelsior. Taking advantage of the redesign of our website, in this tutorial we'll go over the new dashboard and the new features added in the latest version of Maverick Excelsior. If you don't have an account or license yet, click the Get Started button and sign up. You can now also log in with your Google account, which is very convenient. If you already have an account and license, simply go to Sign In and enter your details. You'll then be taken directly to the new dashboard, where you'll find useful information. Here you can check what type of license you have and which features it supports. At the top, you'll see a section showing your viewer links, which is the feature we'll be covering in this tutorial. You have 100 megabytes of free cloud storage in your account to host your interactive models. Let's go into the editor from the left panel. From there, click on Launch Editor to open it. Once the editor is loaded, drop in a 3DM file that we'll use as an example. With our ring loaded, let's make a few small changes. For instance, changing the material to yellow gold. We'll also test a few ambiances before settling on the one we like best. Now you'll notice a new viewer panel, where in future versions we'll have the material configurator. Here you can give your interactive viewer a name. At the bottom, there's a new button to create an interactive viewer link. Just click it and wait a couple of seconds. Your model will then be hosted in your cloud space. You can view and copy the link, and you'll also get a QR code to scan with your phone or tablet. Click on Open Viewer to see it. Here you'll find your interactive model with your name on it, and you can navigate it from any device. Below, you'll see a share button that lets you send it via WhatsApp or email. Let's go back to the editor and drop in another model. This time, we'll change the heart-cut stone to a blue diamond and set the metal to yellow gold. We'll adjust the model's pose from the Pose panel and change the ambience to a black background, which always looks elegant. We'll test a few until we find one we like. In the Viewer panel, type the name you want and click the button to create the link. Your new link is ready to be copied or accessed via the QR code. Open the interactive file to make sure everything looks fine. Finally, let's go back to the dashboard using the button at the bottom left of the editor. In the dashboard, you'll now see the two viewer links we created, each taking up less than 2 megabytes. This means you can easily host dozens of interactive models. Next, let's go to the section where you can view all your viewer links. Here are the two links we just created. One important thing to note, these links are temporary and stored in your account for 7 days. After 7 days, they'll be deleted. This method is designed for quickly sending a review link to your client with just one click. If you want to use interactive models permanently, you'll need to host them on your own server. You'll find instructions in our documentation, and it's very simple if you have some basic web knowledge. Finally, in this panel, you can rename, copy, open, or delete your links. This new feature is only available for Pro licenses, so if you have an Essential license, now is a great time to upgrade. Thanks to interactive links, you'll have a better way to engage with your clients, and they'll be amazed when exploring your designs interactively. That's all for now. See you in the next tutorials.